Gardening is more than just planting seeds. It's about nurturing life. Good soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Regenerative gardening techniques go beyond sustaining. They actively improve soil health. These methods work in harmony with nature, ensuring a garden that flourishes year after year. Imagine a garden where the soil is rich and alive, teeming with beneficial organisms. This is the promise of regenerative gardening. By adopting these practices, we create a sustainable system that benefits both our gardens and the environment. Let's explore some key regenerative gardening techniques that can transform your garden into a haven of health and productivity. Healthy soil is the cornerstone of a productive and sustainable garden. It's teeming with life, from microscopic bacteria and fungi to earthworms and insects. Regenerative gardening practices focus on nurturing this soil life. These techniques, such as no-till gardening, cover cropping, and crop rotation, offer a multitude of benefits. They enhance soil fertility by increasing organic matter and nutrient availability. Improved soil structure leads to better water retention, reducing the need for frequent watering. Furthermore, healthy soil is more resistant to erosion, preserving this precious resource. Imagine planting your garden without the backbreaking work of tilling the soil. That's the beauty of no-till gardening. This method minimizes soil disturbance, preserving the natural structure and beneficial organisms. Instead of tilling, no-till gardening relies on mulching with organic materials like compost or straw. This blanket of mulch suppresses weeds, retains moisture, and gradually decomposes, enriching the soil. By disturbing the soil less, we protect the intricate network of life that exists below the surface, promoting a healthy and balanced ecosystem. Cover crops, nature's green mantle. Cover crops are like a living mulch for your garden. These non-cash crops are planted during fallow periods to protect and improve the soil. They act as nature's green mantle, shielding the soil from erosion, improving its structure, and adding valuable nutrients. Different cover crops offer unique benefits. Legumes, for instance, fix nitrogen from the air, enriching the soil with this essential nutrient. Others, like oats and rye, develop deep roots that break up compacted soil, improving drainage. By incorporating cover crops into your garden, you mimic nature's way of replenishing and revitalizing the soil. Crop rotation, a balancing act for healthy soil. Crop rotation is a simple yet effective technique that involves growing different types of plants in a specific sequence. This practice helps maintain soil fertility, reduces pest and disease pressure, and improves overall soil health. Different plant families have varying nutrient needs and root structures. By rotating crops, we ensure that the soil is not depleted of specific nutrients. For example, planting nitrogen-fixing legumes after heavy feeders like corn helps replenish nitrogen levels. Crop rotation also disrupts pest and disease cycles, reducing the need for chemical interventions.